Reach Cut Planner. Do you want to win new customers by significantly reducing your fabric consumption and thereby making your products competitive? Ship your orders on time by eliminating time-consuming manual calculations and manual errors in the cutting room? Translate individual knowledge to organizational knowledge? Improve process capabilities in the cutting room? Presenting Reach Cut Planner, the proven industry standard cut planning tool that automates complex manual calculations and provides optimal allocation of markers, spreads, and fabric rolls. Reach Cut Planner eliminates manual errors, saves time, guards you against people turnover, saves fabric, and improves process capabilities. Reach Cut Planner has many modules that perform different functions, leading to ease of operations and efficiency. Automated Marker Allocation Module. This module helps in providing the optimum marker combination to cut an order, as well as number of plies to be cut for each marker. Automated Plies Allocation Module. This module helps in allocating number of plies to be cut from different markers of various shades and widths, considering the available fabric and marker ratio. Automated Spread Planning Module. This module helps in planning the number of layers to be spread for a particular marker, depending on the maximum number of plies that can be cut in a single spread. Automated Roles Management Module. This module identifies the exact roll and the number of plies to be cut so that end of fabric roll wastage is minimized. Fabric Reconciliation Record Module. This module helps in preparing profit and loss analysis of a particular order. Reports Module. This module helps in generating detailed reports to be given to various departments. Reach Cut Planner has larger organizational impact by enabling informed management decisions by capture and analysis of cutting room data, improving productivity by automating the thinking process in the cutting room.
We at Vigosa wanted to find a way to reduce the amount of waste at the end of a fabric roll. That's when we discovered Reach Cut Planner. Reach Cut Planner performs the complex calculation that enables Vigosa to optimize the yield from each fabric roll. Reach Cut Planner maximizes our use of fabric. We are getting between half to 2% more garments out of the same fabric rolls.
Choose Reach Cut Planner to reduce fabric waste, to save time and win new customers. Reach Technologies.